In this video, we will see how to fix error code 209. The signal being posted is not correct. Error invalid signal number on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager windows will now open. Here under available device driver list, look for any faulty device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against driver. In my case, no any such driver found. If you found any such type of yellow color exclamation mark, then right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty device drivers. Update your drivers. After that, close the windows and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search. Type CMD in search field and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here, execute the command chkdsk/f/r. It will scan your hard disk. Press enter, and if you will ask Y or N, then choose Y and press enter. The next workaround is again go to Windows Search, type CMD and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here in command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on a screen. These three DISM tool one by one. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows, and after that execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your system error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command msconfiz. Click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows. Clean boot your system. Here go to services from the top menu bar. And here make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner. And click on disable all from the bottom right corner. After that, go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and click on open task manager link. Task manager will open. Here all your startup apps enabled in your system is visible. Here look for any enabled startup app. Find out. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your startup apps enabled in your system. Manually disable all your startup apps enabled in your system. After that, close the windows. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is open control panel in your system. Here in control panel, look for the option recovery. Click on recovery. Here click on open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will open. Here click on next. Choose a system restore point. Under available restore point, Windows Update or automatic restore point, choose any one of them from which your computer was in good state. Restore your computer, click on next, and finally confirm your restoration point. Follow on screen instruction to complete the system restore process, and after that your problem should be definitively resolved. That's all.